Check on the last video you posted, check on the previous video you posted, check on the mistakes you made, see if you can correct them. You know, there are so many tools here on CapCut. Look at this particular tools. You made the mistake when you are using this particular tools. Maybe when you are using the keyframe, there was a mistake using keyframe. Check on it now. Are you still repeating that same mistake? Just check now. Just go and check now. If you have a brother at home and maybe there's no job, and he has an Android phone, and you are still allowing him to be with the phone playing games, doing nothing with that phone, when you get to the house, just lay him flat and give him 24 strokes. Get him a CapCut app on that phone. You get my point? Let him start using CapCut app on that phone and start editing videos. We have so many video editors online. Understand? You know that YouTube pays, Facebook pays, another social media platform pays. You just stick to one before you know. If you give yourself time, that time you wasted in watching videos, playing games, and doing all of that sort of things that's not even bringing any money to your pocket. You can start now. Understand? You can start now. Just make sure you use your phone. Watch simple videos. If you go to my playlist, like I just dropped my playlist link in this description of this video. Just go there. You get my point? You will see list of videos. Check on the ones you'll be able to do. And all these videos, I'm shooting them alone. Understand? You get my point? So don't even give an excuse. Start with the ones you can. Get close to people that knows how to edit videos. You get my point? Get information from them. Some of you, your people are very I'm have to tell you, you are very, very You want to get close to people that knows it better than you. And you think everything is free. You know, this thing is an online stuff. It's not millions. You just say, thank you for this. Recharge card. Send this. The person will be happy to show you. But some of you are just ignorant of what to do. You don't know that appreciating people can even help the person make you grow faster. See, in this space of video editing, you need someone that will guide you. Understand? There are many things you need to know. Check on the last video you posted, check on the previous video you posted, check on the mistakes you made, see if you can correct them. You know, there are so many tools here on CapCut. Look at this particular tools. You made the mistake when you are using this particular tools. Maybe when you are using the keyframe, there was a mistake using keyframe. Check on it now. Are you still repeating that same mistake? Just check now. Just go and check now. I just had to go through my videos when I started back then, and I come to understand that I made so many mistakes in some of my videos, especially when using chroma key to remove the green background on green screen effect. You know, like videos like these monster videos I edited, we still have the green colors in them, the green color around the effect, which is not right. Just like you're not supposed to be so. But look at now, I can boldly say I'm able to overcome that particular one. You know why? Because I'm consistent. I'm learning new things every day. So you too, go and check on your videos. Check that particular feature you edited some time ago, maybe last month, or last 2 months, last 3 months. Check on that particular video. Check on the feature you made mistake and see how to correct it. That is what makes somebody grow. You cannot just be repeating one mistake every time and then you are saying you are growing. Now the difference between that time and now is that I'm able to correct that particular part, and that's what helps you grow. That's why you can tell somebody, okay, I have been in this system for this period of time, and this is the difference between me at that time and now. I just feel to encourage some people, because some people are seeing video editing as one of the most difficult thing to do, but I don't see it that way. Don't ever start with the difficult one, else you're going to break down. You will say it's very difficult. So keep on doing the simplest one you can just do. When you do it and you see, you'll be enjoying with yourself. In fact, you'll be dreaming yourself editing videos. See, you don't even need crew members at all. You don't need crew members to start your video editing journey. I'm telling you this. Understand? You get my point? Because I see so many people, they say I don't have crew members, so that is why I cannot start my video editing journey. There are some things you need to do without people. You are looking for crew members, you have to pay them. There is no person that will want to join you into this video editing stuff. You say you want to use them to create videos and they will not collect money from you. Now lie, you have to pay them. And if you are coming from a poor background like me,
don't cry, very slow. Don't cry, just bring your tears.
You don't have money. You don't even have money for subscription. Talk less of paying people that want to act with you. You are looking for crew members. Guys, you're going to break down. I'm telling you. You're just going to break down like this. There are so many videos you can watch online and then still edit and post it on your platform. You still grow. There are videos that maybe as you are growing, you can now jump into those type of videos because you know you are capable of doing those type of videos. The way I am now, there are videos I cannot even do. Not as if I don't know how to do them, but based on my finance, understand, my pocket, I don't have money to buy all those things. So I have to stick with the ones I have. I'm just using this to motivate some people. Now someone approached me that he want to teach people how to edit videos too, but he doesn't have mic. I told you I'm using my external microphone. Have you seen mic here? This thing I'm using here is pain. I'm using a book here. I'm using it to find myself. I'm not using an external microphone. With that cut alone, guys, you are good to go. You don't even need all those things. You don't even need a microphone. You don't even need all you need is just a good phone, an Android phone or iPhone. I'm using an Android phone to record my videos. Everything is done in one phone. Just need the idea. You need the information. You cannot just sit on your own and say you are going to grow. Lie. It doesn't happen that way. You can start with videos like this.
Hey! I hear me, but me.
And that's something you should do as a beginner, someone that is trying to grow. Why would you go into videos like this? Then you come and tell me video editing is very hard. Now lie. Now you make it hard. Video editing is not hard. Understand? There are ones you can do by yourself. Like you stand on your own. You don't even see. Make sure you have a tripod. Once you have a tripod, then you are good to go. You don't even need anybody to. Oh, please hold this camera for me. Please stand here. No. You know why? There will be a time that person will be very busy and you want the person to go along with you. And at that time,
you waka come. Okay.
No video editing that day. So guys, I don't want to say much. I just want to inspire somebody. I want to motivate somebody. So if you see this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like button. If you want me to be inspiring, to be motivating you like this, you know what to do. Like this video and share this video and comment in the comment section. It's not every time I'll be doing practical. You get my point? So see you in our next video.